I have got a comparison and contrast video. Both Vacbirds, both were gifted to me, and we're going to talk about the difference, the pros and cons, and what you might need for your travel needs that maybe we haven't thought of before. So this is the newer line that Vacbird has come out with, and this is an older model, older version, which again have pros and cons. So I was thinking today, as we're packing to go on a trip, there are some benefits of these bags. These come in multiple different sizes. They are pretty much like small, medium, large, which both of them like small, medium, and large. So you can see the smalls of this are pretty much the exact same size. And so these are to fit a 20-inch suitcase. And then the mediums are for a 24-inch suitcase, and you can see 24-inch suitcase, they're both the same. And then the large is for a 28. The large is for a 28-inch suitcase, so you can see that right there. And I don't have the bigger piece. This one might not be as large. This one is probably not a 28, so it doesn't get, or does it? Let's see. No, it's a little bit smaller. It's more just the medium. Yeah, it's more the medium size, so a little bit smaller. So depending on what you need and who's all going with you, if you have a larger family and you have kids and they have smaller clothes, they might not need such a big thing like this. They might be fine with just the small and medium bags because their clothes are smaller. The biggest difference between the two sets is the see-through, okay? So this is nice. I'm not going to lie. Your kids are going to know what is packed where. So when I'm packing, they know, hey, my underwear is here, my socks are here, my shorts are here. The clear does give you some benefits to fast picking out what you need. So that's one thing to keep in mind is of the clear, but it also, if TSA is going through your luggage, they're going to see what you have. And if you're not comfortable with that, then that's where you're going to want these. These are, the back of it, you can even see, they're pretty dark. So you can't even see my hand when it's in there. Now, maybe could you see some bright colors on the back of that? Possibly, but it's not going to be perfectly see-through. It's pretty tinted. And so if you're looking for privacy, that's where these bags are probably going to be more appropriate for your choice. But whether or not you use either system, the little clips that come together, the squeeze clips that make it easy to slide back and forth, are brilliant. I love them. You don't have to guess if everything is closed off. You take the clip, you place it, and then you slide it a few times back and forth just to make sure, like a zipper, everything's zipped. And so that way the suction is going to work for you, because you can't have any air leakage and have the air totally take all of it out for you. So that's something that you want to keep in mind. And then they come with different chargers. The clear bags come with this one, and I love this thing. It's compact, it's small, and it is high power. So it works so well. And it specifically is to fit just right over the top. And you take the screw top off, put that on, and put that back so the air doesn't leak out. But I also really love this because you can charge it USB or, and it's pretty powerful as well. So just some different things to keep in mind when you're trying to compare and contrast which vacuum system is going to be best for you and for your needs. Hopefully this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.